Very good morning to class 5. Welcome to online class, and we were doing chapter number 10, tens and hundreds. So this is my request to everyone. Quickly open the Math Magic book and come to page number 143. Everyone come to page number 143. Page number 143. See, practice time. In this practice time, the first question was money from different countries. A chart is given to you, and there are different currencies are given for different countries, and according to that their Indian values are also given, isn't it? You have to change it in the Indian values. And question number A, we have already completed. It was that the money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupees. Question A is the money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupees. That means in Indian system whose currency is maximum, and it was England. I think you have written in the copy. That day you have written in the book, but today you write in the copy. It was England. The money of England will cost the most in Indian rupees, isn't it? Yes, and we have also written that we know that 1 pound is equals to rupees 77.76. Okay. Now come to question number B. Mithuns. This we have not completed, but rest of the class they have completed. So let us complete this one. Question number B. Mithun's uncle in America had sent rupees 10 USA dollar as a gift. Mithun used 350 rupees for a school trip. So how much money was left with him? Now Mithun, his uncle has given him he has given him 10 USA dollar. Okay, and from that 10 USA dollar he has spent 350 rupees in a school trip. You have to find it out that how much money is left with Mithun. Okay, so this is the word problem, so you will write it in the statement form. Okay, so quickly write it down. Mithun, not Mithun, it will be money received by Mithun is equals to, let us write, this is page number 143. Page number 143 and question number 2. Money Mithun or money received by Mithun is equals to 10 USA dollar, and from the table we know that since 10 USA, not 10, it will be 1 USA dollar is equals to, since 1 USA dollar is equals to rupees 39.70. Therefore 10 USA dollar is equals to rupees 39.70 into 10. When you are multiplying, you are getting 397 and 2 zeros. So here after the 2 digit there is the point, so you will also write after the 2 digit then point. So this answer will be rupees 397. Not answer, Mithun has got from his uncle. Okay, now from this 397 he has spent rupees 350 for school trip. So what is left, that you have to find it out, isn't it? Yes, you have to do it in the copy. So what you will write, money spent on school trip. Money spent on school trip is equals to rupees 350. Therefore money left with Mithun is equals to rupees 397 minus rupees 350. When you will subtract, you are getting answer as, what answer you are getting? Yes, very good, 47. The answer you are getting 47. So answer will be 47 rupees was left with Mithun. Answer will be 47 rupees was left with Mithun, or rupees 47 was left with Mithun. Okay. So this is the question number 2. Now come to question number 3. Now come to question number 3. Question number 3 is sorry, not question number 3, it is C. Question number C. Question number C is Majid's father is working in UAE. He gets 1000 dirham as salary. Arun's father, who is working in Sri Lanka, gets 2000 Sri Lankan rupees. Who gets more Indian rupees as salary? Now here two persons are salaries are given in UAE and in Sri Lanka. Okay, so you have to find it out that in Indian rupees whose salary is more. Is it Majid's father or is it Arun's father? Majid's father live in UAE and his salary is 1000 dirham, whereas Arun's father, he lives in Sri Lanka and his salary is 2000 Sri Lankan rupees. You have to find it out what is or whose salary is more. Okay, so let us find from Majid's father. So right, Majid's father's salary is equals to 1000 dirham. This is question number C. See, I have written 2, but it is B. And page number is 144. Question number C. You will write Majid's father's salary. Majid's father's salary is equals to 1000 dirham. So first of all you will find in Indian rupees, isn't it? Since 1 dirham is equals to, from the table we are writing 1 dirham is equals to rupees 10.80. 10.80. Therefore 1000 dirham is equals to rupees 10.80 into 1000. This will be rupees 1080 and then 3 zeros, and here 2 digit and then the point. So here also 2 digit and then the point. That means rupees 10800 is the answer. Salary for Majid's father. Okay, it is the salary for Majid's father. Now let us find for Arun's father. So you will write Arun's father's salary is equals to 2000 Indian Sri Lankan rupees, is equals to 2000 Sri Lankan rupees. What you will write? Since 1 Sri Lankan rupees is equals to, for Indian it is 0.37. 0.37. Therefore for 2000 Sri Lankan rupees is equals to 0.37 into 2000. So when you are multiplying, it is 2 sevens are 14, carry 1, 2 threes are 6, 7, 1 2 3 zeros. After the 2 here will be the point. That means rupees 750. 40. So for Indian rupees, Majid's father's salary is this much, and for Arun's father's salary is this much. So who is the more salary? Who is getting more salary for Indian rupees? It is Majid's father getting the more salary. Okay. So you will write the answer that Majid's father gets more salary in Indian rupees than Arun's father. I am rubbing the board. Here you will write the answer. Answer will be Majid's father gets more salary, in Indian rupees, than Arun's father. Majid's father is getting 10,800 as salary, and Arun's father, he is getting only rupees 740 as salary. Okay, so the answer is Majid's father is getting the more salary. Okay, Majid's father is getting the more salary. Completed? Quickly complete, because today the time is very less. Oi, who is doing this? Yes, all have completed. Now come to question number D. Quickly come to question number D. Leena's auntie brought a present for her from China. It cost rupees 30 yuan. Find what cost in Indian rupees. Now just you have to find for Indian rupees what will be the amount, and in Chinese or in China it is rupees 30 yuan. You have to find out in Indian rupees. Okay, so same thing, from the table you will find it out, isn't it? So quickly write it down. This is question number D. Question number D. The statement will be price of present brought by Leena's auntie. Cost of present or gift. You can write present or gift, both are same. Okay. Bought by Leena's auntie is equals to 30 yuan. 30, see I don't have the space, that's why I am writing here, but you will write straight. There, since 1 yuan is equals to rupees, for rupees it is from the table it is 5.50. From the table it is 5.50. Therefore 30 yuan is equals to rupees 5.50 into 30. That means rupees 2 zeros, 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 5s are 15, and 1 16. After 2 digit 0, after 2 digit the decimal, sorry, not the 0, it will be decimal. So for Indian rupees it costs rupees 165. In Indian rupees it costs rupees 165. So answer will be the cost of the gift in Indian rupees is rupees 165. Okay, So the cost of gift in Indian rupees is rupees 165. Okay. Yes. I think all have understood. I think all have understood. Okay students, today up to this only. We will do question number E tomorrow. Okay. So bye all of you, and whatever we have done today, again practice at home. Okay. And you will practice by writing. Clear? Okay. Thank you all of you, and bye all of you.